Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a very exciting unpackaging for you. Now this literally just arrived through the door. The postman knocked on the door, I ran downstairs because I knew exactly what I was expecting, and I've already seen a number of people in the community unpackage theirs. So I'm very excited to get into today's video. Now I'm actually quite glad that I've seen a couple of unboxings of this bar on YouTube before getting this parcel, because now I'm prepared for how well it is packaged. Now this is a delivery from Crown Cast Silver. If you want to have a look at Crown Cast Silver's products, do head over to Stackers Social Marketplace. He makes some incredible poured pieces. So like I said, I'm prepared for this video and I've got the trusty scissors ready to go, because Crown Cast Silver, he likes to package his parcels extremely well. He actually sticks them to the inside of the packaging as well. So you can see that this jiffy bag is actually stuck to this packaging. So that's why I'm going to leave it like that. And then inside here, I believe he's probably done the same thing again. So we're going to go straight into it. I watched Working Class Stacks video yesterday and I saw him really battling to get to this piece. You can see that he actually uses double-sided sellotape to package this piece to the actual inside of the jiffy bag. So extremely well protected when this is arriving. And he actually said in Stackers Social, the reason he does that is because he's had a lot of times in the past where things have been stolen in the post, where someone in the postal service has used a pair of scissors or a knife to cut open the jiffy bag and slide out the contents. So at least when it's secured actually to the actual jiffy bag, if someone wants to try and cut a hole in the jiffy bag, nothing will quickly and easily slide out. So I think that's really a smart idea. But let's get straight into the video. Oh, we have the... Oh, we've actually got... Oh, we've got two... Wow, this is very, very generous. He's actually sent me two pieces. I was a bit confused then, because I was thinking I've only actually ordered one piece. But you can see on there, it actually says, "A gift from me, thank you." So that is extremely generous. So really, really appreciate that, Crown Cast Silver. And let's start with the gift, because who doesn't love a freebie? So extremely generous. And I've also seen these surface in the community as well. And I think these are absolutely incredible. We've got a sticker there. We've got the COA there as well. Pop them to one side. But here is the Stackers Social 10 gram button. And these are absolutely incredible. Even though they're so small and intricate, they're still finished to the same standard as all of the other Crown Cast products. Absolutely incredible. The work that goes into these is amazing. You can see that's the new Stackers Social stamp that Crown Cast recently had made. And if we flip it round, you can see it says 10 grams. It's got the Crown Cast crown logo on there, and it says 3 nines fine silver. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. Although it's only 10 grams, it still feels very substantial in the hand because silver is a very dense metal. But that is incredible. Very, very unexpected as well. If it's going to focus. Really, really nice. I'm going to try and lock the focus there for a few moments. But look at that. Absolutely incredible. So Crown Cast, thank you very much for that. It's very, very generous of you to send me that as an extra. But let's head over to the star of the show and the piece that I actually purchased. And we're going to rip this open. And we're going to go straight into it. Got another sticker and the COA there. Line them all up. But this is absolutely incredible. And I'm going to rip it open again because we want to get straight into the silver. But this is the matte version. Now there's actually two versions available. If you head over to Stackers Social, He's releasing, I believe he's releasing about 4 or 5 of these a week because they do take a hell of a lot of time to make. And Crown Cast Silver is a one-man band, so it's not like he's got a whole production team that are helping him put these pieces together. He literally hand pours and hand finishes every part of this bar. So like I said, he's only going to be releasing, I think, 4 or 5 of these each week. And he does a matte version, which is the version that I've gone for here. And he also does a polished version. Now let me know in the comment section what is your favourite version. If you want to see both versions and you haven't already, head over to Stacker Social. It's a free to join Discord group. The link will be in today's video description. But these are only available directly from Stacker Social. If you head into Crown Cast Silver's room in there. But this is the matte version. The reason I've gone for this version is it means that it won't tarnish as quick, and I want this to be a piece that I carry around with me. So I figured if I got the polished version, although that version looks absolutely stunning, I think it will tarnish a lot more and it will show fingerprints a lot more, especially if I'm carrying it around in my pocket and using it as a bit of a pocket piece. But you can see this matte version is absolutely incredible. 50 grams, you've got the Crown Cast logo again in the middle. 3/9 fine silver stamp there at the bottom. And like I said, it's finished to such a high standard. Really is incredible. And like I said, that is the reason these are being released so limited each week, just because that's the amount that he's able to produce throughout the week because of how much work goes into each piece. But incredible. Really, really nice. I love the way the Stacker Social logos come out. It was quite a hard stamp to get produced because if you have a look at the Stacker Social logo, it's quite intricate. It's got lots of different lines and things like that on the globe. So to get it converted into a stamp that's going to stamp well on silver was quite a hard task. We actually had to go to someone in Spain, someone that actually produces these stamps in Spain, to get this handmade and then shipped all the way over, and then the stamp could be used to produce these stunning bars. So absolutely incredible. Like I said, let me know in the comment section what you think. What is your favourite type? Do you like the polished version? Do you prefer the matte version that I've gone for? But incredible, absolutely stunning piece of silver. And you can see how excited I was to get this filmed and unboxed today. I didn't even bother setting my normal setup up. I literally just grabbed the camera, grabbed the tripod and started filming straight away. So there we go, that's today's video done. You can really see the nice contrast there actually. You can see this is the polished finish and this is a matte finish. So you can see the contrast, the difference that you get. It gives you a bit of an idea of how the 50 gram bar would look if it was a polished version. But yeah, absolutely stunning. 2025 as well on there. You can see it says established in 2023. That was when the Stacker Social was first created. But yeah, absolutely stunning. So thank you very much, Crown Cast, for producing such an amazing piece of silver for the community. Thank you again for the freebie. Really, really appreciate it. A very generous gift. And as always, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please hit that thumbs up button. And I hope you all have a very nice day.